I dreaming? Is this love or just feelings? Is this right?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Woo! How are you guys doing today? As you guys can see by today's title, I'm gonna get my diva haircut by my girl Dalia. I got my hair done by her sometime in July of this year, so I'm really due for another one. My ends are a little bit dry, so she's gonna trim it up, shape my hair according to my face. I may do front bangs, I may not, because my hair has grown so much. I don't want the length to go away, but we will see. Before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're new to our channel, and turn on the post notifications to receive all video updates from us. Guys, I'm nervous. Alright you guys, I made it to the salon. I'm about to get a nice wash.
I was like, yo.
Oh guys, meet my beautiful stylist.
Hello.
Say your name, your Instagram.
Okay, so I am Sunny and my Instagram is Sunny Style It. Follow me.
Follow her. She's amazing. Trying my hair.
So I'm gonna go through the haircut first and then
Okay.
we'll cut the bangs last.
Now my girl is about to do these bangs. I'm so excited. Excited and nervous at the same time. I haven't had bangs since like 4 years ago.
Yikes.
So, yeah, it's been a long time.
So where do you want your bangs to land? Like the shortest part?
What do you think? Is it gonna cover like my full forehead or just like the side?
It can cover your forehead, but like where do you want it to like?
The lengthwise. Should it be here?
Yeah, we could do
Okay,
there.
right
So
here.
what I'm gonna do, especially because these parts dried a little bit like looser, I'm gonna cut lower,
Okay.
just so that when I wash it again,
It'll
wet
be
it
like-
again,
it'll be a little shorter. Okay,
yeah.
cool. Alright you guys, this is my final look right now. Look at the little bangs coming out. So pretty. Thanks girl.
You're welcome.
This is day one, so I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow and you guys will see the final full look, but I love the cut. I love the cut a lot. And she kept the length, so my hair is still long. So you guys can see how long it is. And it's soft. Love it. Alright you guys, this is how my hair looks day 3. As soon as I got home from the hair salon, I washed my hair over again and I just added a little bit of leave-in conditioner and some oil, and that's it. I didn't add any product, any curling cream. It's still big and puffy. I teased my hair a little bit to give it some volume, but I actually love this cut. This cut and shape is really pretty. Look how big it is. This is how my hair looks far away. This is how my hair looks close up. It's nice and big. Nice big curly hair. And I love the bangs. My go-to part is a side part on the right hand side. So I'll do something like this, which is cute. Then I could also part it on the left hand side. But I'm gonna do the middle part because that's how she cut it, with the bangs in the front. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
Is this a life or am I dreaming? Is this love?